In this tutorial, we are going to see how to recognize vertical drift and how to correct it. After a certain time of walking the site, you will notice a mismatch between the model and the site. This is called drift. To correct it, enter the manual positioning mode. Select the corner you want to adjust and drag the corner into the right position. After doing that, if you notice a size difference of the elements like we can see here, or if when changing angle, the model is still offset, it means you probably have vertical drift. To correct this, we will align the three planes individually. Again, with the manual positioning mode, select your corner to make the alignment axis appear, look at the edge you want to align, and drag it into the correct position with one of the axes. On the opposite side of the corner, adjust the edge the same way. Then stand in the middle of the corner and correct the elevation. Finally, select the corner again and adjust the rotation using objects that are further away. Your model is now correctly positioned.